So in order to edit your book mockup, you want to click on a layer and click Position. This will allow you to bring up the Layers tab, so you can move the Canva frame up one at a time and drag and drop your book cover in. Then, you would drag it back to the correct place so that the realistic shadows show correctly. Once you have done this, you will select all the layers except for the shadows and drag to resize. This example is a skinny cover, so I need to drag down until I see the image starting to zoom in. This means that the image has completely filled your frame, and if you keep dragging, it will zoom in and cut off the book cover edges. Once this is done, you will want to click on the shadows and readjust to fit the new size of the book. If you try to resize the shadows and cover, it will zoom in on the shadow portion and make it look incorrect. For each mock-up set, you will need to do this. I know it has a few extra steps, but if you want it to look realistic, you need the shadows in order to give it depth. The spine covers will be easier because you can drag all of the Canva frames to the top at once and then drag them back under the shadows. The reason I created these mock-ups in this way is because it will give you so much more flexibility with all of your books, no matter the size. I hope you love the mock-ups, and please let me know if you have any questions.